baked fish for especially chronic kidney disease patients, liver cirrhosis patients, and dilated cardiopathy patients, those who are having less EF, ejection fraction. Basically, the fish is having easily digestible protein for nourishing the dysfunctional organ cells, what I have seen in my father's case when he was on dialysis. His urine was totally blocked, no urine outcome at all. After I am inducing this fish, within a week he got urine flow. And today, thousands of patients across the globe are enjoying with these fish preparations. Here, the myth is, without oil we cannot fry like that people are thinking, and also taste will not be there. It is not so. In water also we can fry. If you marinate with the defined herbs, there is the garlic, ginger, coriander, green chilies, mint, and onion also you can put, tomato also you can put. After marinating everything, you firstly heat the pan and put 1 tablespoon water. That water will move like a oil only. Then you place the marinated fish on that, and it will get fried as if like it's normally frying on oil only. And thereafter you can put salt as per the taste within 1 gram limited for the whole meal, and you can enjoy it. And you cannot imagine that the taste. And for the details, you just download the PDF in the description which I have given here, and accordingly you can prepare, and you can add the things additionally also according to your taste. Some people are adding cherries, so many things, and they can enjoy like anything. This can be taken along with the bread for the breakfast. This can be used along with the rice, along with the roti or bread, like that, and you will really enjoy it. Thank you.